Most friendly pets for family. 1. Dogs. Dogs are loyal, loving, and make great family companions. They are also very intelligent, and can be trained to follow commands and help keep the family safe. 2. Cats. Cats are independent and low maintenance, making them perfect for families who don't have a lot of time. They are also playful and affectionate and can make great cuddle buddies. 3. Fish. Fish are ideal for families who don't have a lot of space, since they require minimal maintenance and minimal space. They also provide a calming presence in the home, and can be a great conversation starter. 4. Rabbits. Rabbits are gentle, social, and affectionate animals. They are also great for teaching children about responsibility, as they need to be fed, groomed, and have their cages cleaned regularly.